We're flying business class, baby. We're traveling in business class. I do not know what bag to take with me, okay? This is my usual travel bag, my Chanel 25, right? But, however, because I'm vlogging and I'm thinking of the thumbnail, I know that the thumbnail will be better if I have a Birkin bag in the thumbnail. My Birkin 29. Flight is in 4 hours. And I'm about to go and meet my best friend for lunch first because she just came back from South Africa and she was like, ain't no way you're going to London and I'm not going to see you. I haven't seen you for ages. So I was like, okay, well, we can grab a quick 45-minute breakfast together and then I've got to go. So I'm literally about to go on a girl's breakfast and my flight leaves in 4 hours. Crazy. My car has arrived. Hopefully my flight takes off because we never know in these circumstances. But the car is here. There's something about a Mercedes V-Class. I just love it. We all love to do airport in a Mercedes V-Class. Okay. Made it to the airport. Hi. Business and first class has their own airport. So this is the private airport entrance. Agreed with somebody who's gonna carry your suitcases for you to check in. Let's go. I'm just saying you could do better. They've recently built this first class check-in exclusively for first class. It's really nice. I'm just saying you could do better. All checked in and I've gone through security and I arrived here at 11:20. It's 11:25 now. It took me 5 minutes to check in and go all the way through security because we have the private airport. I stopped off at the pharmacy to get some goodies and now we're heading to the business class lounge. So they have 2 separate lounges here, one for first class and one for business class. The good thing about here is that you can actually board directly from the lounge. So the lounge takes you straight to the plane. So you don't need to mix and mingle with economy. You know what I'm saying? Which is lovely. So you can literally kick back, relax and enjoy until the last minute. There's a shoe shining company here. But my shoes can't really get shined. I don't care. Maybe you should just shine them for the vlog in here. This is the first stop. It's like a snack bar. Loads of snacks. And it has this like kiddie food, fries, nuggets, pizzas. Then they have the coffee bar. I'm going to fine dining. Only the finest for me. This is where we get into something. This is where we really get into it. So some snacks. Beef and vegetables. That would normally be a bit of me, to be honest. Like all of this cooked food, you know. Salads. I definitely need a water. Hello, hi. I'm good, thank you. My favorite. These are nice, to be honest. We've got a nice little ice cream van. Truck as well. I'm getting fruit. We're gonna do all the eating on the plane. Right now, let's do some drinking. Cheers. What's so good about business class? Recap everything that's been happening so far. First of all, we got our chauffeur sent to pick us up. Second, we had our guys meet us at the car to, I don't know, bring the luggage straight to check-in. Let's not forget that we actually checked in at a whole private terminal that basically had no one in it. And then from check-in to getting through security was 5 minutes on the dot. Now we're at the lounge with just a ridiculously unlimited amount of food. Straight from this lounge, we go straight to our seat. It's a dream, it's a dream, it's a dream. I'm going to see my family. I'm launching my mentorship where I'm training you guys how to start your own e-commerce brand just like me. I can afford business class because I have a brand called Bad Society Club, which I grew to £1 million in revenue in 9 months and $10 million or £8 million in revenue in 6 years. So I'm teaching you guys all the tips and that's why I'm going to London. I'm going to do a free training on the 31st of May at 8 p.m. UK time. My gate is right here. I'm gassed. I'm still in the lounge, but I'm at A17. We have like a little kiddies play area. If you want to tire your kids out before the flight, this is fun. It's just unlimited stuff that they have here, honestly. They're just unreal. Like, this is the gate. Absolutely gorgeous. Hi. Yes, I'm going to London. There you go. And then, yes, you arrive at first and business class. We're flying business class, baby. Woo! Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with your mother. I'll take the champagne, please. Thank you. So I just received a little hot towel. Cheers, guys. I need to show you everything that's in here. Like, you actually get your own mini bar. I'm just on the way to London, so let's catch up. That was Alessandra. Literally, I booked this trip so last minute. Thank you. She's like, why are you not responding to me? And I'm like, I decided to catch a flight to London and I'm on the plane right now.
If you want any assistance, let us know.
Okay, cool, so I will.
This is the menu for today.
Thank you, menu. Okay, this is the food menu. Let's see what's on the cards for food. All right, so as usual, you have like healthy juice, then you have mocktails, then you have coffees, then you have tea, that's standard. Then you have cocktails, loads of cocktails. Wow, then they have beers, wine. Okay, let's see what's for lunch. Salmon salad, nothing crazy. Then for mains, I can have either a lamb loin, chicken, butter prawns, or a chicken sandwich. I'm gonna have the lamb loin. I love lamb. You can have a lamb pie as a snack afterwards if you're still hungry. You can have scones, you can have afternoon tea if you're hungry as well. They got rid of the Haribo gold bears. Like, they used to have these and they got rid of them. And I was so upset. I was left with the jelly beans. But they brought them back. Thank the Lord. Hallelujah. I'm gonna go through like 5 packs of these. I've got my lamb. I took my hair out of the hairband. As you know, I get headaches. So for dinner, I've got salad, a lovely bread, it's warm as well, balsamic dressing, salt, vinegar, lovely butter, so posh. And then I've got my lamb, potatoes, carrots, and I had broccoli, but I finished it already and it was so well seasoned. And I love, they're so fancy. They give you proper cutlery, which makes it so easy to eat. I hate eating with like plastic. Yeah. Food on this plane is always so good. I knew from time I was enjoying the broccoli, I was gonna like this food because I actually don't like broccoli. So seasoned, and the gravy. Seasoned good, guys. Oh my god. The Wi-Fi just came on. I haven't started any shows yet. Definitely the garlic bread.
Excellent.
Yes, love the garlic bread. Thank you. We've just had a delivery of garlic bread. The garlic bread on here is banging. And then this is apparently a new bread. From the inside, crunchy on the outside. The plate and the food on the lounge is just so damn good. This is the life, guys. Come on. I'm going to be teaching you guys my 4-step formula on how to build any online store, any online brand, how to get customers, how to get sales and orders, and then how to build that consistently, having 6-figure months every single month. So that is a combination of 2 things. You do big drops where you drop a new collection. I teach you how to have a successful drop that sells all the way out in under 24, 48 hours. I'm sure you've seen so many people online that have brands. They drop a new collection and it just goes viral and it sells out. There is a strategy and a method to that, and I'm giving you guys my one because it's worked for me every single month for the past 6 years. And then on top of that, there's also a method on how you get daily sales, of a combination of organic posting and making sure that your posts go viral on your social media pages, using influencers that are profitable, and then also running Facebook ads to your products. This combination here has to be perfected and it has to be done exactly to the T. Otherwise, it's so easy for this strategy and for this method to be unprofitable. And it's a 4-step method. Hi, yes please, thank you. And I'm teaching step 1 out of the 4 on my live training on the 31st of March, which is like in a week's time now. I'm so excited to teach you, and then afterwards my course will be live where you get the full 4 steps available for you to learn as you go, all video lessons where you actually see my store Bad Society Club in the back end. It's not going to be something that's available forever. It's not just going to be like click the link in bio if you want to buy it. No, there are slots available for this, and once the slots are full we will close this cohort. This is how I got here. If you don't know my story is on my YouTube channel. The exact same clothing line, I tried to build it by myself. I lost £10,000. And then when I done the exact same idea but with a course, I made $1 million in 9 months. Getting a mentor, learning from somebody who's done it before, that's my story. Memory foam mattress, my pillow, my blanket. I've been fast asleep. They woke me up, brought me my food. Now I'm just gonna chill on the Wi-Fi. Chat to my friends on WhatsApp. No, every time I come in a business class flight, it's a big flex. You just think this is the fucking life. Oh my god, YouTube works on the plane. So relaxed. I'm just waiting for them to clear my food. I'm gonna take a nap, but I'm dying to eat. So I thought, let's go to the bathroom together. Might as well start a little bit of the tour. So they give you slippers to wear in the bathroom. Slippers. Let me show you the minibar. So you slide that up and you have access to your minibar. And in here you get chocolate dates. So just like peanuts basically. 2 bottles of water. And what's this? Sparkling water. And this is for old USB, USB-C, USB-C. And then this is for actual plugs to work on your laptop and actually charge your whole laptop properly. You a nice little iPad, and you can control the television from the iPad so that when you're laying down you don't have to like lay all the way up and touch the screen, because who wants to do that? You have to put the seat all the way upright for landing. This is standard upright. This is like a jar, so it's like I normally watch TV like this, like a little bit up, a little bit down. This is really comfortable, one of my favorite modes. This is bed mode. This is then if you want to put the reading light on. I don't know what this is. Should I press it, guys? Should I press it? Should I press it? Oh, it turned this light off. Okay, so it turned the minibar light off. Here's the minibar off. And then you press this if you need anybody to come and help you. If I'm lying down, I don't want to get up to reach my bag. I'm just going to call them and be like, hi, excuse me, could you bring me my bag, please? Like, see how I've run out of Haribos? I'm just going to be like, hi, please. Can you bring me more Haribos, please? I don't have a bra on, but I'm covering myself with a blanket. So this is the bathroom. It's so cute, look. It's got like a little flowers in here. Close-up mirror right here as well. So is that it has cute hand towels. It actually has perfume, male and female. And then, okay, so it has a hair comb. It has all of these hand creams. And then it has a toothbrush with toothpaste. Like half an hour before my flight ends, I just come in here and then brush my teeth. And then when you land, you just got brush, which is nice. Okay, now we're gonna try Verona by EMIRATES. Just realized how unhygienic it is to bring a blanket into the toilet. That was very dumb of me, so I will be changing this blanket when I get back to my seat. Ew. Okay, yeah, so as I thought, this plane doesn't have the bar on it because this is the 777 plane and it's only the A380 that has the bar. Preparing for landing. So we're preparing for landing now. I had a little bit of a nap while I was waiting for the Wi-Fi to come on. Then I had dinner, and then I was just on my phone really chatting. It is get fast track. So you get fast track through immigration, you get your fast track pass, and then also on top of that, additionally, your baggage gets delivered first. So normally by the time you come through immigration, your baggage is already off the twirly thing and just there waiting for you. I watched like White Lotus.
So maybe on the way home, I'm gonna watch season 2 and see what the hype is. But the show has a lot of hype. Is this why Sydney Sweeney is famous? So from the show, was she already famous prior to this? In the clouds now. It's been fun playing with you guys so much. Let me make sure I don't forget my laptop. The thing as well, you have this little cubby here. You can keep all your stuff in it. Your laptop, your bag. Normally in economy, you have to put all your stuff overhead. If you forget something, then you have to keep on standing up to go and get it. That's so annoying. I hate that. And this one, you get your own overhead storage to yourself per seat as well. So you get the whole thing. We are back in the grayness. Remind me, guys, why you were telling me it was a good idea to me to buy that. We have landed. The plane actually grounded at 5:55 and it's now 11 minutes past 6 and I've got both of my baggages. Sims, gone for immigration, got my bags in, what's that? 16 minutes of the plane landing. That's not even 16 minutes of the plane door opening. That's 16 minutes of the plane landing. So super speedy. I'm going to make my way to my car now.